Hello. So today we are going to show a minimally invasive TAVI. So let me introduce the team. So we have Dr. Muthukumaran, a senior colleague of mine, who is going to be my second operator, and we have Dr. Vinod, Dr. Ganapati, who is an anesthetist who is going to take care of the conscious sedation. We have Bhupalan, and we have Andrew, the senior technician. So this is a 80-year-old gentleman who is a known diabetic and hypertensive, post bypass surgery, which was done in 2017. He also had a permanent pacemaker implantation 1 year earlier prior to CABG. So presently he is come with breathlessness on exertion class 3/4. It's progressively increasing, and on evaluation he was found to have severe LV dysfunction, and it was found to have a low gradient, hence was subjected to dobutamine echo, and was found to have a severe significant aortic stenosis with LV dysfunction. So it's clearly a low flow, low gradient, severe aortic stenosis. So his gradient was only 15 mean and 30 peak gradient at rest, and however his aortic valve area was significant with 0.9 square centimeters. So he also was done a CT coronary angiogram, which showed all the bypass grafts were patent. So as he was planned for TAVI, clearly this patient is an elderly gentleman who has a post CABG and with severe LV dysfunction. Clearly the choice is TAVI as compared to surgical aortic valve replacement. So he was evaluated for with CT scan. CT scan showed an annulus, which was annulus. Clearly there is not much of calcification in the annulus. The area was 5 to 8 millimeter square. So there is no LVOT calcium. LVOT was not almost the same size, it's slightly larger than the annulus. There's no calcium in the LVOT. So it's a tricuspid valve. Next slide. So you can clearly see the sinuses are large, no calcium, and there is the coronary heights were quite high, about 15, more than 15 in the left and the right. Next slide. So it was not of much importance. Next slide. So you can see the calcium. There's very minimal calcium. The calcium is restricted to the leaflets. There's no calcium at the annulus. Next slide. And his LV aortic angle is quite favorable. So his femoral arteries are not much of minimal tortuosity on the right side, with no tortuosity on the left side. There is some calcium, but it's not concentric. But the vessel lumen diameter, the diameters are quite large on the right side. There's some minimal narrowing on the left side, so clearly we decided that the right side should be the principal approach, and the left side, in view of the little smaller diameter, I think it is better to have the right side. There's some calcification, of course it's not going to be much of a difficulty with that. Next slide. But there is some calcium at the puncture side, as you can see on the right femoral. There is a spot of calcium on the anterior and the posterior aspect. So we are now deciding to use ultrasound guided puncture. So we will really be able to avoid any calcium if possible, so that the proglides work better. Next slide. So our strategy in this is going to be minimally invasive TAVI. So clearly this, to summarize, is a 80-year-old severe symptomatic low gradient, low flow severe aortic stenosis, post CABG, post pacemaker, and we are going to have a conscious sedation. So you can see the patient wide and awake. So clearly the strategy is to have a conscious sedation. Can you show the slide? So patient is conscious sedation, and we will have a single femoral axis. So we can show it's a single femoral axis which you're going to take on the right side. So we plan to use, there's no urinary catheter, no Levely pacing. We'll only just have only LV wire pacing, no pacing with the regular balloon catheter. We plan to do a direct implantation, no predilatation. So direct implantation with the 26 millimeter Sapien 3, Edwards Sapien 3 valve. So that is the plan. So let's start. We'll do ultrasound guided puncture. So let's do it now. Yeah. So we can clearly see some calcium there. We can see the long axis, the femoral head, local, and you can see the calcium. Yeah, we'll give local. So we will give local anesthesia before we know that this patient is doing conscious sedation. We can see the bifurcation down, and there is a spot of calcium which I can see there, the posteriorly.
Yeah, there's no calcium there. Yes.
So
posterior only,
but more calcium in the
posterior.
Posteriorly. So anteriorly, I think we have some space to puncture. So let us give local anesthesia.
This skin is better than the other skin.
Huh?
The skin I got this, sir.
Ah,
The
correct.
skin is much better. Shall I hold, sir?
Yeah, we'll just get it. Okay, see this bifurcation. So the bifurcation, go up.
Yeah, a bit more. Yes, that's a bit more. Yeah.
See the femoral head there.
Yeah.
So you can see a lot of calcium there, disease.
Posterior only, sir. Anterior there's no calcium.
Okay, let's do
puncture there, sir.
Puncture
Yeah.
there. So this is tipping inside.
Yeah.
So let's puncture here.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is, to avoid the calcium, we will do a short access.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see the calcium actually
Posteriorly. Yeah.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah. Entered.
So can you give me the wire now?
Wire angle padukku.
Fix the wire.
Ultrasound inga irukum, sir.
Ultrasound also you can show on the side.
The screen the fluoro kaattunga, Andrew. Let's show the fluoro to confirm position.
Eye down one.
Eye down.
Okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
nice,
Okay, store
perfect
it.
puncture.
Can you show the echo? Yeah. Okay, good. Come here. Just hold the wire.
Yes.
Just allow the sheath enga podu.
Sheath is fine. Okay.
Torch was it here?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Straight edge.
Start. Okay.
Okay, pro lights please, no?
Can you get a pigtail? We'll keep it ready. Out wire. Thermo எல்லாம் போடணும் வேற வழி இல்ல.
இது டார்ச்சஸா இருக்கு. Yes. Yes, sir.
The plastic வந்து தள்ளி வைங்க.
Okay. Artery was கொடுமா தம்பி. Artery.
Where?
Try to close up.
See, light. So I think we need to introduce her. This is okay. Okay. Inside. Male.
Yeah.
Male, come here, Andrew. Wire. Kila. Oh, proclate. How long is it? It's gone up to that. So I think. Okay. Renal. Okay. Okay, take hold this pressure. See, it's going quite inside, no? Proclate.
Yes, sir.
Hold.
Yes.
Okay. The wire should not slip, so be careful. Yeah, take it out.
One more. Layer 14.
Sure.
Curl 7.
Wait, wire.
Okay, push.
Take out the wire.
Artery position good thambi.
So this is what is 2.
Artery good.
Okay. No.
Okay.
Pressure. You pressure Muthu. Give me a bloodless field. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, 8 front sheath.
So slippery wire. Is there more? No. Give me a dry cause. Yeah. Okay. Hold. Fold.
Yes. Okay.
Follow. Okay.
Nice. In RCC side away. Center lo kandirukku. Nice sir.
Okay. Okay. So the bleed out.
And LAO 14.
Wire the bleed out. Okay. Come.
No, Coral 7.
Test Andrew.
Oh, this is the central L. It's in RCC only, but it's okay, sir.
It's in the NCC, no?
NCC la irukku. Wire போடணும்.
Oh.
Okay, fine sir.
Test. Test Andrew. Illa.
Yeah, fine. You are the last one, sir. Fine sir.
Okay. Come to LAO 14 Cordel 7, please. Okay. Okay. Just don't talk during that. Okay, ready. Picture Andrew. Inject. Inject. Andrew, what is this? Looks good. The view looks good.
நல்லா இருக்குது.
Picture. Inject Andrew.
It's okay, sir.
Looks very good actually. Good. Okay, fantastic.
Give the stiffer. Ready? You are E-sheath ready?
Push the wire some more.
Director is there, sorry.
Okay. Hold the sheath. Okay, can you give me the E-sheath, please? Hold the wire.
I'll take it off, sir. Sheath.
Yeah, take it out. Give pressure.
Yes, sir.
Pressure. Okay. Sure.
Yeah. Easy போகுது. It's okay. எடுத்துருங்க.
So now we are taking the E sheath to the right groin. So you can see the E logo facing up. So fluoro please, make sure the dilator is in position, wire is in position. So can you show fluoro also please? Can you show fluoro down? Can you show down?
தம்பி ஜர்க்கின் சரியாச்சுக்கோ.
So this is the area of tortuosity, so I am just not giving a gradual, advancing the sheath gradually. So it's a bit tortuous, so
switch கொடு தம்பி. switcher இருக்கா?
So there is some resistance there.
You put a stiff wire, sir.
So this is stiff wire.
We take a Lundagus wire.
Yeah, we probably have to take a Lundagus wire.
You're just going this way. I think Lundagus will straighten it up further.
So we're not pushing too much. Let's
stay there, sir. Stay there. We pass the Lundagus wire through this.
Here we get the Lundagus wire ready.
Lundagus wire.
Actually, this is enough for the entry of the valve. But only thing, the sheath will split and start bleeding.
Yes,
that's
sir.
the problem.
That's the problem.
Otherwise, it's enough for us. Okay, get the Lundagus wire. Hold, move.
I'll push my மேல.
Okay, மேல காமி. வயர் நல்லா மேல இருக்கட்டும்.
Alex.
Okay. ஹோல் கீழ வா இப்போ.
போடு. போங்க சார். Give me the தம்பி switcher கொடு. switcher கொடு. இருக்கா? switcher மா.
So this is a tricuspid valve. So we are using a JR, a Judkins Wright catheter, so to cross the aortic valve. So as you saw now, there's some amount of tortuosity in the iliac. So we had to gently take with the extra support wire, Lundagus wire, and with that we were able to gently pass the sheath. So it's very important to not give overt pressure there, and clearly visualize fluoroscopically and then introduce the sheath. So now I am just going to take a JR catheter to take. Yeah, wire has to go up. Okay, follow this wire. Yeah. So what I am doing is now I am taking a Lundquist wire through which JR catheter, and now I am going to take a straight wire to cross the aortic valve. So can you show the picture, Andrew? So this is a straight wire. So I'm going to cross the aortic valve. Come. Can you show me now? We'll place the Judkins pigtail catheter in the non-coronary sinus. We will. Can you show the injection, Andrew?
Yeah.
Play that. Play. Don't freeze it. I don't want to freeze it. Okay, I could see that. Now, can you give me a test in the pigtail? No, I want the non-coronary sinus. So
yes,
it's important to put in the non-coronary sinus. Then we are now ready to cross. So let us keep the so the this is an antibiotic technique. Okay, store this, Andrew.
Okay.
So we have crossed now. Now let us go into this and take exchange length
extra
wire.
Small.
We can also introduce stiff wire through this so that it gets minimize these steps.
Give me extra small 5 wire.
So we are trying to minimize the steps to the minimum so that we go direct with the stiff wire, and we just have the echo as a good hemodynamic measurement. So we don't measure it again, which is much more routinely we don't do that. So we are using a Safari wire, extra small.
Nice.
So this helps to avoid an extra step with pigtail wire. Okay, pull the wire. Okay. Now ready for the valve implantation now. So the valve. So we are going to check the pacing and check before we do the valve implantation. So we are ready with the valve. So we'll check the valve, and before that we will keep the catheter. So we need to measure we need to monitor the arterial pressure. So once you have the valve, then we don't know how we will be able to get some pressure. So I'm doing a small injection on the right groin. Chinna oosi. Okay. Yeah, give me the clips now. So just show this. Okay, so we have a needle and we put the electrode here. So clearly this is for the other electrode will be connected to the end of the catheter. Okay, good. Now hold.
Okay.
Okay, we put it inside the LV, little bit inside. Okay, now shall we test the pacing now?
Go to 100.
Oh, it's not pacing. No, I think so just scrape the wire a little bit. Okay, stop pacing. So we have the valve, the 26 millimeter Sapien 3. We have added 2 ml more for the valve. So we are now taking the valve inside.
Wire out. Hold the wire.
Hold.
Yeah.
கீழே காமிக்கிறேன் ஆண்ட்ரூ.
Yeah.
Can you show down? Andrew, can you show down? கொஞ்சம் நேரம்.
Wire capture before exiting.
Show the wire. Yeah, good.
Yeah. Show the wire and the valve.
Okay, we will இங்க வந்து இது பண்ணிக்குமா?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Andrew, காமி valve.
ஓஷா இதை எடுத்துட்டு வந்து இது
Wire you keep carefully.
wire card.
Wire காமி.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, keep it like that, both together nearby. Fluoro. அது பண்ணிக்கலாம். We'll do it. Okay, can you make the valve coaxial, Andrew? Come more cranial little bit. Cranial. Kami. That's
Yeah,
okay, that's okay.
Fine.
I think not bad.
நூலை போனேன்
போதுமா?
இன்னும் போங்க சார்.
This is good.
Fine. That is fine.
This is
Okay,
very
good.
Okay, good.
Plus.
Okay, locked it.
Yes, lock. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
ready. Let's go. Come to LAO. Wire. LAO. வலிக்குதா? சரியா போயிடும் அதான். அவ்வளோதான் இனிமேல் வலி இருக்காது. வயர் பார்த்து. So we will check the pacing once we go there. அவ்வளோதான் இனிமேல் வலிக்காது. Okay, come. Okay. Now check. Ganapati, check pacing.
Okay.
So once we cross, we'll move it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, check pacing, Ganapati.
Pacing already connected இல்ல?
இல்ல கனெக்ட் பண்ணதுனால. So
pacing. Okay.
No loss of.
No, not 200. வேண்டாம் இப்போ வேண்டாம். போதும். Stop pacing.
So give me a test in the pigtail, Andrew, before I cross.
Okay, fine.
Okay, good. Okay, store that. Okay, let's cross.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine, sir.
So let's. You're okay with that?
Come back.
Okay. Picture.
Fine.
Andrew, picture.
Yeah.
Inject alone without pacing. I think okay.
You okay, sir? Happy?
I'm happy. Maybe a millimeter I can pull up slightly. Yeah. Wait, we'll take this out.
Push it out. Push it out. Yeah. Fine.
Test, Andrew.
Fine. Looks good.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
Pacing on. See, nice spacing. Don't disturb the wire anywhere.
Yes, no output.
No. Stop. Okay, now try. Yes,
Yeah, pacing.
Yeah. Inject, Andrew. Okay, Muthu. Go, Muthu. Slowly.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000.
Pacing off. Pressures are getting better. Can you remove the parallax? Yes. Come, we'll take an injection. We will have to take the pigtail down. Yeah. Ready?
Super.
Yeah. No AR. Absolutely. So the valve is in position. The coronaries are flowing very well. There's no AR at all. So let's have the echo and then. So it's quite paced very well during LV wire. So we did a good inflation. This 23 with 2 ml more actually worked very well for this. Oh. What?
With the baby.
So it's important to make sure the LV wire is nicely touching the ventricle, and for that pressure, when we inflated, I had to make sure the wire doesn't move out or come out.
Yeah,
make sure
that's a
very
important step. The wire should be in touch with LV all the time.
Okay.
I think the valve looks nice. The leaflets are opening very well. There's a little bit of a tiny bit of leak along the wire, intraprosthetic regurgitation. There's nothing around the valve at all. Once you remove the wire, I think this regurgitation will go away, and we'll go to the short axis.
Due to the wire,
so we're going to remove the wire now. Yeah.
The valve itself looks very good, and I think he had a LV dysfunction, EF around 30%. Now the contractility appears to be a little bit better, but we'll have to still see. Okay.
Can I have the IA down a little bit for a minute, for a second, just to get the pigtail out? IA down.
Very good. Keep it there. I'll get it. I think the finger looks good.
Yeah. Good. Fantastic. So the left ventricle function looks slightly better, and the valve is opening very well. There's no significant gradient. Looks like the main gradient is.
No gradient.
Okay. Absolutely no gradient. Main gradient of 2 millimeters of mercury. That's absolutely fantastic with no paravalvular leak. I think we've got a very fine result of the valve. So he's quite comfortable, and we're going to now close this. And let's try to close this now. Okay, can you switch to fluoro and we'll close this. Okay, ready? Sure. We'll do one more injection after without the wire and.
Patches are not deposit.
Okay, wait.
Turn panna sir, pigtail.
Regular wire is better. This wire is not good. That's why I thought it's always good to put a regular wire. You just jump in like that. Or sometimes we don't need a wire at all. Andrew, కొంచెం వెళ్ళేవో కూడా. ஷட்க்கு ஜேஆர் மாற்றிக்கலாமா?
அப்படி போங்க போங்க போங்க.
எங்கே போச்சு? கீழே காமி.
நீங்கள் டர்ன் பண்ணி புஷ் பண்ணி சார். ஆ I'll turn it, sorry.
Yeah.
Push பண்ணி உள்ளார போட்டோம். Yeah. I turn it.
Yeah. Got it. Yes, got it. கீழே காமி Andrew. கீழே காமி. Yeah. Show down. So because we took only one line, we have not taken one line, only one radial. We have not punctured anywhere. So we had to take the catheter down to check the groin. The other time we can even do with the Doppler. But it's எங்கே பிக்டேல்
எடுத்தீங்க சார். ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் மாதிரி தான் சார் இருக்கு.
எங்கே இருக்குது
பிக்டேல் எடுத்துட்டீங்க?
ஓ திருப்பி எடுத்து கிராஸ் பண்ணுவோம். சரி கொடுங்க, பரவாயில்ல. ஹோல்ட், லீவ் இட். wire muthu wait muthu. Okay, wait, beat you the wire went inside. Okay, wait, push both together, it will go.
Wait, boss. Okay,
I'll take
put
it
back
out.
The wire, sir. Now push the wire.
Correct.
Pong.
Kila kami. Wire comes. Okay, push the wire anyway, it's inside. So எவ்வளோ போக முடியும் போங்க இடத்துல. Show down. Wait there. Okay, just wait there. Now you can push the pigtail. ஒன்றும் போதா?
அவ்வளோதான் சார்.
அவ்வளோதானே? சரி, ஓகே, கம்.
வயர் எடுத்துக்கங்க.
Show the wire. Okay, which wire? Show அந்த wire தான். Show அந்த wire தான். Show. Push.
நம்ம
now you remove.
முடிஞ்ச அவ்வளோதான்.
Remove slowly. Expose me. Muthu, expose it. I want to see.
Yeah. Dry gas கொடுப்பா தம்பி.
A small thing is not go inside. Nicely.
நின்றுச்சு பார்த்தலாம்.
தேவைப்படாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Wire out. Wait 1 second.
முடிஞ்சதுங்க. எப்போ முடிஞ்சது?
Shake the pigtail now. Yeah, wire out.
Injection pigtail. And ready. Nice. Good.
Okay, good. See that aorta has all bad disease there. The bend and tortuosity. Okay, good. So the groin is closed nicely. So எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Show it to him. நல்லா போச்சு ப்ரொசீஜர். நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? கொடுக்க சொல்கிறேன். நல்லா போச்சு, நல்லா பண்ணியாச்சு. சரி, ரைட், வெரி குட்.
Yes, basically TAVI, as we have been getting used to it more and more, we are experienced enough to do as a minimal invasive so that the patient can be mobilized as soon as possible by avoiding a couple of accesses and also pacing through the wire. Using consolidation, the patient can be mobilized straight away and can be discharged tomorrow. What do you think,
yes,
sir?
Very likely tomorrow. Tomorrow we can discharge. So this is really safe to discharge tomorrow, since he had no anesthesia and also very minimal access, just one groin puncture that took closed, and we have removed the pigtail, so only radial access. So
why for the
Okay,
thank you.
So So, to summarize, we have got a excellent result with no gradient, with no paravalvular leak, and the groin is nicely closed with just one ProGlide knotting. And further, we have no just the pacemaker was not done. So we just use the LV wire for pacing. So the patient will be discharged tomorrow. Thank you.
Good.